Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Mason. Welcome to my shop, and today I'm going to be talking about anti-fatigue mats. Yes, anti-fatigue mats. I got this idea in my head. I needed anti-fatigue mats in my shop because I was spending a whole 2 hours a day in them and my joints would hurt and it was important to my health. So I went to Harbor Freight and got their cheap $5 mats. You know, those foam variety? They're a hazard. Get a speck of sawdust under there and out you go. So about 9 months ago, I picked up a set of these 3-foot by 6-foot heavy duty mats that you usually find in like gyms or horse stalls. And they were pretty good because they were rock solid and didn't slide around. But there's 2 reasons that those are no longer working in my shop. I'm in a small shop and a lot of my tools, my bandsaw and my planer, they're all on casters, and it's really great to be able to move them around. When you've got these massive mats that you have to pick up your tools to move around, it doesn't really work so well. You stop moving your tools, you stop using your tools, it's no good. Reason number 2 is my I'll clean it up when the project's done dust collection system, where I just sweep off my bench and the chips fall to the floor and I sweep it up when I'm done with the project. And that's a problem because when you start to sweep the dust chips around, they get caught up into the corners of the mats like a maze of dust, and you can't ever sweep anything anymore. So then you stop sweeping, and before you know it, your entire shop is covered with dust. See, this is what I'm talking about. This pile of dust needs to get to my dust collector, which is on that side of the shop. So I have to move these unmovable to get my dust pile over to my vacuum. I don't want to have to move these 80-pound mats every time I sweep my garage. I think I'm calling it quits on these guys. Let me know what you think. Am I doing something wrong? Am I missing something? Does anybody else have a great experience with their heavy-duty anti-fatigue mats? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.